Lo and behold, we got 2 more bands to show you. Yep, I will keep on showing bands until you guys finally decide to subscribe to my channel. So this one is the all white one, and we have 2 more here to check it out.
1:36 p.m.
Yep, it's 1:36 p.m. Let's check out the specific one. This is the Bizian Mist Black Nike Sports Band. Unboxing, here we go. Ooh, this. Look at this silver. Oh, yes. Oh, this looks so good. Love it. And black on the back. Let's check this one out. This is the original. So this one is the Bizian Mist Black from Nike. And you can see the difference between the original one that this one came with. This one just looks so much better. Really nice. Really nice looking. It looks so much better in person than in the picture. Initially I thought I shouldn't be getting it, but I think I changed my mind. So let's switch the bands. Put this on. Take this one out here too. Ooh, long way. Is there actually a long way to put them in? Apparently yes. Yeah, this one actually had a hard time fitting in. But this just looks so much more slick. Now, I don't know, this looks better, in my opinion. And yet we haven't unboxed the next one. Now, the only thing that will make this even better looking if this was the same color code. You see, when it gets black, it gets too dark. It gets weird looking. So the white one, I was not a fan of the white. But let's go ahead and check out the one in the box. See what is in here. So opening this one up, right there, checking it out, unboxing it, here we go. What is inside here? Black. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. All black. All black. Black one is cool. I think I'm already in love. Ooh, black, gray, and the original. Oh, almost like white. This one is almost white looking, really. If you can see all the differences between them. Which one is going to be the best looking? This is hard, really hard to digest. This is why I got them, every single one of them. Try to find out which is the perfect match for the watch. Now the black one, oh, you can't go wrong with black. Never. But you can get this one I told you this thing was getting stuck when I just put it in, and it looks like, whew. See, if it goes in and it has problems getting in, that's not good. So check this out. I think this one has, although I really like it, it got almost stuck in this. Whoa! That's the first time I got one band almost stuck in here. I don't know why. It sometimes gets stuck, but that's no good. Let's check the black one out. It could be just the watch. Some of them. This one is better, I think. So let's see, black one. This one comes in. This one goes in so easy. Just the bottom one is just having always hard time to get in. Now the black one, it looks good. Cannot complain. There's nothing special about it. And yet, there was something stylish about the old black one. This is such a hard decision to make. The original black one, it looks good. Can't say it doesn't look good. It looks good. Can't say like, yeah, this thing doesn't look good, but black version, it looks good on my list. I actually like it. On the hand, and you know why this might be the best one out of all of them? It's not really all black. It's actually, like, this is black. It's kind of like darkest shade of black. But the thing is about this, it makes it really dark. So it doesn't call attention to itself. What I don't like is that it doesn't feature different color codes. Like, this is all one color. That's it. There was nothing else about this. Now, if you want to know which one was this one, this is the old black version. It was called the Antarctica. It's like the weirdest name ever. Antarctican Black, Nike sports band. And this is it. You see, this is black. This is what Apple calls black. It's not really black. Kind of a shade of gray, right? Like dark, but it kind of looks like a stealth gunmetal kind of a color to this, which makes this like slick. Like really slick. I like that. Now, with this band, what I really like about it is the inside. You can see the black. There's black inside it, and it comes out from the other side. Same thing with this one. It has black in here, and it comes out from the other side as well. So this is cool looking. And having like two shades on this makes it stand out. But maybe that's not what you want. You don't want it to stand out. You want nobody to pay attention to you. So this is the one you want to get. Nobody's gonna know what you have on. And this is gonna be this one right here. So anyways, this is a tough decision to make. Which one should you be getting? And post below which one you decide to get and why you're gonna get it. And of course, if you like this channel, subscribe for more punishment by watching more videos from the Geek Tech Show. Oh wow, this is really hard. Line them all up, and if you really think about it. This one draws me in too. It's like, you know what? The best choice would be is just to buy all of those and to wear different shades every single day. But then again, I'm wasting 150 right there bucks just getting those things. And that's just not economical. So overall, I'm still thinking the black, you can't go wrong with that. Getting the original black, and that's it. So let me know down below which one you're getting and why. And see you in the next episode of the Geek Tech Show.